Dear viewers of Madani channel, today inshallah Azza wa Jal, we'll be learning about the Jeelani remedy. The blessings of the Jeelani remedy, as mentioned by Shaykh al-Tariqat, Amir Ahl Sunnat, Damat Barakatuhum Aliyah in his booklet, King of Jinns, is that by acting upon this, inshallah Azza wa Jal, we will be saved from stomach diseases, such as ulcers, constipation, gas, and any other stomach illnesses. For this, you'll need to take 3 dates on the 11th night of Rabiul Ghawth. Recite Durood Sharif once, then recite Surah Al-Fatiha once, recite Surah Al-Ikhlas once, then recite the following. Ya Shaykh Abd al-Qadir Jeelani Shay'an Lillahil Madad. Then recite Durood Sharif once again and blow on the first date. Repeat the entire recitation, blow on the second date, repeat the recitation again, blow on the third date, and then eat these dates either on that night or any other night or any other day. Insha'Allah Azza wa Jal, you'll be saved from all stomach diseases. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.
I must strive to rectify myself and the people of the whole world.
Inshallah Azza wa Jal.